Home warranties make big promises: comfort, coverage, and peace of mind. But what homeowners actually experience is very different. The myth says everything is covered: roof leaks, ceilings, storm damage, even interior repairs. But the reality is that only a small, non-structural patch is covered, and nearly every real repair is excluded. Thousands of homeowners report the exact same problems: denied claims, long delays, and surprise bills. Across more than 7,200 reviews, the rating barely reaches 1.5 stars. The complaints continue year after year, and the pattern never changes. Now let's look at the company behind these contracts. Over 16,000 complaints filed with the Better Business Bureau, a long list of alternate business names, multiple phone numbers, a business model dating back to 1971, and a parent company built on service contracts. Ask yourself if this is really who you want to trust with your home. This isn't about protecting homeowners. It's about turning HVAC, appliances, roofing, and water heaters into a multi-billion-dollar sales funnel. And the fine print explains everything: loopholes, exclusions, and capped payouts. Don't take my word for it. Read the contract yourself. Every limit is right there. When you want real inspections, real answers, and real protection, Kohn Contracting is the reliable alternative. We're here when the fine print fails.